getting close to a very interesting point in the river which has always fascinated me. So here we can actually see the two waters, the two rivers adjoining with one another. There is practically white and bluish waters at the same place, but they are not mixing with one another. It seems that there are two different rivers which are flowing at the same place, but they are different. There is a border that is aligned by the nature automatically to differentiate these waters. And now we have crossed the blue waters, now we have crossed the blue water, and we are we have crossed the white waters, we are now in the blue waters. It's said that these waters will never mix with one another, and I can stand a testimony to that as I have seen it this way for a very, very long time. We are now on the bluish, greenish waters, away from the white waters, and very near to the place we shall make port.